Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. Yes, my name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. On the camera today, we've got young Junior. Yeah, so we got Junior. Give them a warrior, hey, Junior.
Oi.
You know everything, go, but man, tell us something, people. You see Junior, him good on the camera, you know. Certain episodes you've seen, and he's been the cameraman. You get me? So big up all my cameramen, big up and coming productions, and big up RJL Productions, but big up man like Junior. You get me? Yeah, he's the future. You understand? Today, people, today we're doing something very, very authentic. Now this for me is a new one. Today we are cooking Susumba beans, Gully beans with saltfish. Yes, it's a very, very traditional Jamaican food. Big up my brethren FDX. We're always reasoning, he's always giving me very authentic Jamaican recipes, saying, yo, Ember, you try that one there, you try that one there. And I say, yo, done. Him says, Susumba. I said, whoa, I don't know what that is. Let me find out. You get me? So we searched around, we find the Susumba beans. You see them there? Yeah, man. So we have all the things them set out. So we're gonna deal with it like we would ackee and saltfish. So we're gonna cook the peppers and all these things here. You can see the nice red, green and yellow, yeah, me tell you. Yeah, we're gonna cook all them nicely. And then we're just gonna add the fish like you would saltfish. We're not gonna add no ackee, obviously. We're gonna separately boil the Susumba beans. You get me? A little white rice and everything nice. You understand? Season 6, get your fix. It's M.R, little Junior, younger M.R, cook and vibe in the making. You understand? Yeah, so let's get into today's ingredients, people. Oi. Yes, people, so as you can see, there is the Susumba beans. They look kind of like green peas. They're meant to be bitter. You get me? So, yeah, you know, so we got our things them ready. So, yeah, man, so these Susumba beans, right? It's a very, very authentic Jamaican thing, and it's like, you know, in the countryside in Jamaica, you'll get walipa, you know, like good fruits and vegetables in the countryside. But you see these Susumba beans, they just grow anywhere. Like they grow anywhere, so they're really, really accessible. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's why it's like a poor people food, you know? Yeah, man, ghetto people food, and we love that. That's what we deal with, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, very authentic food. So I just take out the good ones, them. You take off all the stalks and everything there, get them looking nice, chuck away any bad ones, you get me, and get them ready to boil up. And then we are going to chop up our vegetables and get everything ready for the saltfish. You know what I'm saying? Woyoy. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Yeah, so as you can see, people, I'm just making sure all the good ones go in there. Any little deformed ones or one don't look good, me, and dash with that. You get me? So yeah, man, Susumba beans. I really love it when I find something new, people, that I've never tried before, like especially when it's Jamaican food and authentic and I don't know about it. I'm like, yeah, I need to do that ASAP. So as soon as my brethren tell me about them, I was searching for them around the shops. I couldn't find them. And then all of a sudden, I went to Link Ringo and we find them. You get me? So I just deal with the Susumba beans now. Junior, everything good?
Yeah.
Ah, all right then. So yeah, man, we're there, man. Me and Junior do a cook and vibe today. You get me? Susumba beans, Gully beans. Yeah. You know, I actually really, really love it when I find something, again, that I've never tried before, completely new to me. You see them there? Looking like garden peas. That's what they remind me of. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try these, people. The last little ones we're dealing with here now. You get me? And then we're gonna wash them off. There we go. There is our Susumba Gully beans. You know? Yeah, man, so we're gonna wash these off and we're gonna boil these for 20 minutes. And then we shall start with the rest of the food. Yeah, man.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why? Yes, washed off. Looking much more pretty and nice now. Is it me? Yes, Susumba beans, I'm excited. Yeah, S6EP4 should catch me one that I didn't even know about. Alright, no problem, we have to know. Susumba and Saltfsh, that we are doing. Yeah, man, season 6, get your fix. Oi, oi. Like I said, we're gonna bring them up to a boil and then we're gonna simmer them for 20 minutes. You get me? We're gonna have to do nothing else to them. So yeah, Saltfsh we are dealing with now. Oi, oi. Yes, people, so I'm not gonna bore you today with the chopping up and telling you how to make saltfish. We've done saltfish many times on Cook and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? You've seen how to do it, what to cut up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna bore you with that today, people. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you, say, yeah, we're gonna have a look at some Susumba trees. Yeah, some Gully bean trees. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we'll have a look at them. As you can see right now, the trees, how them look, and how the berries them on the tree. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, like I say, people, this is, you know, these kind of grow, these are very accessible, like very easy to get out. You know, like how blackberries are in UK, you know, they grow everywhere, every corner, every alleyway, you know, same thing. Yeah, man. So, yeah, you don't know, people. Just gonna finish this off, get these cooking up. You know what I'm saying? And then a why thing. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, people, I'm not gonna bore you with the whole thing, but just if you don't want to go back and find the other recipe, and you don't know what to do, in here, peppers, Scotch bonnet, tomato, onion, scallion, thyme. Yeah, and that's it. And got some okra here. Don't usually add okra to this, but as we're doing a little different thing today with the Gully bean, yeah, add a little okra in there as well, segue. You know what I'm saying? Can't do no harm, though. Yeah, man. So yes, people, let's soon start cook this. All purpose. I think that's chicken actually. Oh yeah, little seasoning in there. Black pepper. We got Jamaica Valley, you know what I'm saying? Saltfish. Yeah. We don't need to add no salt because obviously the fish has that. Why on? I am ready when you are, young Junior. Yo, everybody, can we get some likes and can we get some big ups in the comments for Junior? Junior! You get me? Yeah, let's big up Junior because he's really like, you know, he's like a really good boy. You know what I'm saying? Like, for a young kid to be interested in food like that, I think it's really good. He tastes every single fruit and vegetable that I cook, everything, and he's interested in it. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's really good. So big up Junior. People, big up my t-shirt. Do you know about Crash Bandicoot, Junior?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you see when I was little, got a bit of water on there, but see when I was little, I used to love Crash Bandicoot. You get me, people? So look at his camera skills. Oh, do you know what I noticed last night, Junior? You see when we done the episode last night? Mm-hmm. I'm not going to tell them what it was. Actually, yeah, this will be after that. When we was doing the crocodile, right? Me and him, we really enjoyed it. We had loads of it. And I was just watching his camera skills, and he's getting there, he knows what to do. Remember, he's 6, you know. Big up man like Junior, big up Crash Bandicoot. Everything's nearly ready now. I'm going to put the fish inside the vegetable because they're nice and soft now, so why not? People, vegetables are nicely cooked. We're going to add the saltfish into the pot. In the Dutchy pot. If you don't know what this is, people, this is a Jamaican Dutch pot. Alright, they're very, very authentic. Let me show you the lid there. You know what I'm saying? You've seen it all the time. Dutch pot, this is what you have to cook your Caribbean food in. It stores the heat. So like, half an hour after you cook your food, it's still warm in the pot, you know? Yeah man, Dutch pot. Invest in one if you don't have one, people. Trust me. Yeah, so there we go, people. Junior's drinking his drink there. Yeah, we say you need that. You sound like you needed that, bro. Yes, people, so there you have it. Yeah, man. Gully bean, them there cook. It's soon done. Everything's soon done. Why? Why? Yeah, look at that, people. Look at that. Saltfish, Susumba beans, and rice. Yeah, man. I want authentic meal you have right there. You get me? Nice and healthy, man. You get me? So, I'll taste time. Yeah, I can't wait to try the Susumba. Yeah, we're good, Junior.
Yeah.
We're good. All right, then. Make sure you keep that camera nice and steady for me, my bro, yeah? All right, I think you 2 hands, because then you got more. Yes, that's right. You see it there, people? All right, so here we go. Taste time. Yeah, man. We have the saltfish and the white rice and the Susumba, but I really want to try the Susumba first. So I think I'm just going to try the... Strange taste. Like bitter. It doesn't really taste like peas or any type of beans. Very distinctive taste. It's like a more of a... I can't put my name on it. It's bitter. They're bitter. They don't taste like peas or beans. They've just got their own style, yeah. The saltfish and the white rice. They call okra and thing. Good. Let's try the Gully beans with the saltfish. Now that's nice. When you eat the Gully beans with the saltfish, that blends together nicely. Takes away from the saltness, and the Susumba takes away from the saltness, and the saltness takes away from the bitterness of the Susumba. You get me? So I think that's the best way to eat it together like that. You know what I'm saying? So yes, people, you done know. Big up Junior. Good camera skills. Now we go back to finish the episode. He's good, you know, people. Trust me. There you have it. I tried something new from Jamaica. I never tried before. I love you lot. You know how it works. Big up section. And I will see you soon. Bye. Big up, big up. All my Coco vibers, just big up, big up. Yeah, man. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Woyoy. You don't know, hair's all over the place, but I don't care, because you don't know, say, a cook and vibe, it's a natural thing, you know what I'm saying? Yes, people. Big up section. Big up Mr. Blue. Yeah, man, big up Mr. Blue. Him say you should add hours of this whole day. I just enjoyed your guys' company. Wish could join you. Big up from Canada. No, it's a vibe. Anytime we link up, trust me, it's a vibe. You get me? We're just bringing that to the screen. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, big up yourself, my G. And also big up DJ and Cook. He says, need to see you guys roast yellow yam with some butter and roast saltfish. Well, if you actually go over to Ringo Vision channel, we roast some yam on his episode. So if you just head over to Ringo Vision and check out the roast yellow yam on there, my G. Big up yourself. Keep it cook on vibe. Make sure you're subscribed. Woyoy. I see you soon.